Hello guys, today we are going to see the leetcode question 1850, that is minimum adjacent swaps to reach the kth smallest number. You are given a string num representing a large number and an integer k. We call some integer wonderful if the permutation of the digits in num and is greater in value than the num. There can be many wonderful integers, however we only care about the smallest valued ones. So here this is a num which is a string given over here, and a k value is given, that is the number of next permutations we have to find. So if 4 is given as the here 4 k equal to 4 is given in the example, so 4 next permutations are found. What do you mean by next permutation? If 1 2 3 is present, then its next permutation would be greater than the 1 2 3, that is 1 3 2. This would be the next permutation, and we would be using the built-in next permutation in C++. So after taking 4 after using that 4 number of times, that next permutation, we would be getting this number, and after that we would be comparing the original num with the final num that we have. So after comparing, if both are equal, then we have to just continue, and we have to find the first element in which they are both different. Then we have to move till the last element, or till the last element to the last element in which then both the elements are different to the same corresponding index. Then we have to iterate from the last. Suppose j will reach the last number, then we have to iterate till the point where we have got the first number, distinct number in both, while comparing this both the num and the final answer that we get. Then we have to swap them and we increase the count, then we will get the number of times the swap is minimum number of times the swap is needed. So let us see the code of the question. Here is the code of the question. First we have taken the string original as the as because the permutation, next permutation will result in the change of the original num, so we have taken a temporary variable to store the num, and answer we have initialized with 0, and till the k is minus minus that is given in the question, we have to find the next permutation, and we would be reaching the k times after applying the next permutation. Then I equal to 0, j equal to 0 is taken, and the num length is taken till I is less than sj. We have to make that j is equal to I, and we have to check if the original number and the num number are both equal, then we have to increase the j plus plus, and along with it, if I is less than j, this will only be possible if this condition is violated at least once, then I and j would be different, otherwise I would get incremented similarly as j. And the first element in which we will get that I less than j, and in or we this condition will get satisfied, then till I less than j we have to swap num j and num j minus 1, and we have to decrease the j and create a count variable or increase the count variable, and finally we have to return the answer. Thank you.